You wish to be successful, isn't it? But what is success to you? Hi, my name is Vijay. I was asking you this question, what is success to you? Who defines your success? If you just think, there are millions of sperms who have come out and you have actually beaten all of them and succeeded. You're born, you're alive. Is this a success or is it not a success? How do we define our success? Who defines it for us? Think of your childhood when you do not know how to ride a bicycle and you are really struggling, but you have learned how to ride it, and then finally you have started taking your cycle and go on the roads. Are you successful? Are you not? Pick any sport that you have done. Take swimming, take skating, anything which started, you don't know anything about it, how to work, how to do it, how to use that or how to play that game. But today, if you have learned that really and you're able to play that game, are you successful or are you not? How is it defined? You decided to learn something, to understand the art and science of the thing, and then you worked really hard for it. You spent your life, you spent your time, you worked on it, and then you have learned how to do it. You are successful in this particular thing, isn't it? But many a times we look out for an authority or a second approval to say whether we are successful or not. Unfortunately, but yes. Because we are in this competitive world, for me, my success needs to be said to me by someone else, not by myself, which is a very sad way of living, isn't it? So it's important to understand what is it all about, how are we competing, with whom are we competing. When it comes to competition, I strongly think it is not me competing with anybody else will make any difference. I cannot be like someone else or a better version of someone else. I can only be the better version of me. So it means my competition in this life is only with me. Can I see every day that am I better than yesterday? Can I make my day, my life better than what it was a moment before, a day before, maybe a month before? If every time I start looking at my own self and see how I can move ahead, improve myself, work on different things, and I think that is exactly what success is all about. If I am progressing in my life, if I am going ahead, moving ahead, then that's exactly what success is. To me, success is always an amalgamation of these three things: happiness, satisfaction, and motivation. Am I happy doing what I am doing? That is the first indicator for me that I am successful. What's the point of doing something which you are not happy, but somebody else might be happy with that, and then they say, oh, good job done, you are doing great. I don't consider that as success for myself, at least. Being happy in doing what I do is the first thing for me to be successful. The second thing is satisfaction. Am I satisfied what I am doing? Am I able to give my best? Am I need to work on something? And even when I don't do my best, but if I understand I'm satisfied, I will start working on it. End of the day, when I come back and look myself in the mirror, all I see is, am I happy? Am I satisfied? If I'm satisfied with what I'm delivering to this world, I consider this as success. And the third one is motivation. How many of us get up every day morning motivated to go to the kind of work that we are doing? Look at yourself. If something is stopping you, that, oh, Monday morning, today I'm going to go back to work, I'm going to do the same thing, something is wrong. This is not leading you towards your success. A motivation will ensure that you get up to ensure to go there and get what you really wanted it. If every day you're waking up with that attitude, I think the motivation is on. To me, success is this amalgamation of these three words: happiness, satisfaction, and motivation. The day you get all these three and you are on, I think you are successful. I wish and hope you like my small formula of success. Please like my channel, subscribe, and we will come ahead with a lot more of interesting skills ahead.